Just doing a quick little update video. Some of the projects that we're working on. Just finished this up. Well, I still gotta add the lights to this. Do the filter and all that. But honestly, I feel like this bike just with the governor off is as fast as this one, the blue one. And that has like the bigger jet. It has the air filter, all that stuff. But I feel like that one's just more torquey. But they probably top out about the same speed. This, I actually got it lined up. Yeah, I got the motor lined up yesterday. I have separate videos for this I'll post. This shit was, honestly, it was my first time. I had to cut the header from Go Power Sports and flip it around. It's really close to the fucking exhaust, but hey, it works. I think today I might cut it again and put the exhaust out the other side. Sprocket was from Go Power Sports too. I still have to paint this 8 horsepower motor. This is the 110cc frame that I fucking cut it. I had to squeeze this bitch on there. I used some risers. You can get them from Home Depot. They were like a couple of dollars. And then I ordered a plate from Go Power Sports, the mounting plate. I just cut the sides off. But I welded it down good. I'm a beginner, so everything's not perfect, but you gotta be creative. I'm pretty sure you guys could do it too with a couple bucks and some spare time. We're quarantining right now, so we all got all the time in the world. I'm gonna take that gas tank off also and probably put the stock gas tank back on. I gotta mount the seat. But yeah, it's just a few of the projects. I have a mini, real small ATV that I'm also working on too. Show you guys that real quick. Just painted this. Put the whole front suspension. But thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated.